Welcome students to my English class. So today's topic is adjectives. So what is an adjective? Adjectives are words which describes a noun or a pronoun. And what is a noun? Name of people, place or things. So what is a perfect definition of an adjective? It is a word which describes or gives more information about a noun or a pronoun. Like in the example we can see beautiful flower. Here the word beautiful describes the noun flower. Big house. Here the word big describes the word house. Now let's look forward to a few more examples of adjective. The old lady had a green umbrella. The mean tiger chased the little deer. The white rabbit jumped quickly. So white, mean, old, all are adjective. The hungry caterpillar chewed the juicy leaf. So here the hungry caterpillar is the hungry word is a adjective. The little girl had pretty flowers in her hair. So here the word little and pretty are adjectives. Then in the next number 6, the big truck drove away on dusty road. The tiny fish swam away slowly. So the word big, tiny describes the noun truck and fish. Over in the here dusty road, dusty is the adjective to the noun road, which is describing about the road. Next is these are the examples of adjectives. Now we are going to read about what's the specific order for multiple adjectives. So here you can see number of bullets given like observation or opinion, size, shape, age, color, origin, material and qualifier. So all these are the varied descriptions about adjective. So when you list several adjectives in a row, there's a specific order they need to be written or spoken. It can go like this. An article a and the, a number or amount, a possessive adjective my, his, her, it's, yours, our, their. Demonstrative are which one? These, that, these and those. And opinion beautiful, expensive, gorgeous, broken, delicious, ugly. All these are observation or opinion. Next is regarding the size. What do the words contain in this category? Huge, tiny, 4 foot tall. Shapes are square, circular, oblong, etc. Age 10 years old, new, antique. Color black, red, blue, green, etc. Origin Roman, English, Anglo-Lan. Material silk, silver, plastic, wood, iron, etc. What are qualifiers? A noun or a verb acting as an adjective. So let's look at some of those uses of the size. Like you can see here an example. It's a big table. It's a round table. Shape. It's an old table. Age. It's brown table. It is color. It's English table. It's the origin. It's a wooden table. It is material. It's a lovely table. It's a opinion. It is a broken table. This is an observation or an opinion. It's a coffee table. It's the purpose of serving. So these are the various ways how adjectives are used in as used to describe shape, size, age, color, origin, material, opinion and etc. So to make a perfect sentence, one should follow the following order. First goes the size, then the texture, then the color, and finally the type. So here we will go through few more examples. An opinion adjective explains what you think about something. For example, friendly, beautiful, handsome, horrible, difficult, interesting, ugly, etc. These are the examples of opinion. Next comes the size. A size adjective, of course, tells you how small or big something is, like large, tiny, enormous, little, short, small, and etc. For age, an age adjective tells how young or old something or someone is. For example, young, old, ancient, or new. So these are the various examples how we use adjective for the case of opinion, size, and age. Moving on to the next slide, we are going to discuss about the shape, color, and origin. So a shape adjective describes the shape of something, like whether it is square, round, flat, rectangular, triangle, etc. Color, a color adjective, of course, describes the color of something, like whether it is pink in color, blue, reddish, gray, etc. And origin, an origin adjective describes where it comes from, whether it is a French, American, English, Greek, etc. So these are the various uses of adjective. We will now go through some few more sentences for better understanding of the uses. A wonderful old Italian clock. So opinion, age, and origin is coming over here. A big square blue box. So size, shape, and finally the color. A disgusting pink plastic ornament. Opinion, disgusting. Color is the pink and material is plastic. Some slim new French trousers. So size is slim, age is new, and origin is from French. So these are the uses. Now, children, we will come to the exercise. Here is page number 40 from your English grammar book, 40 and 41. Here, first you have to underline the adjectives in this passage, then write them in the table on page number 41 and mention the type of the adjective as well. So, in the previous slides, we have discussed the adjectives and their types, like whether the color, size, opinion, feeling, everything. So here we have to underline the adjective first. I can see delightful monsters everywhere. I have a special power to see them, you know. They can be tiny or huge. I have seen red, blue, orange monsters. Some are frightening and some are strange, but all are round. Some are funny, some are young, and some are angry. Some live in damp caves and some live under old bridges. Some eat chewy, dry food. I love them all. So here, delightful, special, the underlined words are adjective, and here, over here, you can see. Over here are the given over here in the chart. You have to fill it. Like the first one is done. Delightful. It is a feeling. Next is what? Special. It is also a feeling. Tiny is a size. Huge is a size. Red, blue are colors. Orange is also a color. Frightening is a feeling. Strange is an opinion. Then coming to this column, round is a shape. Funny is an opinion. Young is a age. Angry is a feeling. Damp, it's to touch. We feel it. Old is a age. And finally, we have this taste, and chewy is taste and dry is also taste. So you need to do this exercise. Coming on to the second use of an adjective is how to form an adjective from noun or from a verb. So here I have given you few examples. Just go through it. Let's go through it. From the noun boy, the adjective formed is boyish. From fool, foolish. Dirt, dirty. And from verbs, talk becomes talkative. Move become movable. Tire become tireless. So here are a few more examples. AL and IAL. Normal. Norm becomes normal. Music becomes musical. Industry becomes industrial. Similarly, we have IC and ICAL, that is class, classical, economy, economical or economic, romance, romantic, hero, heroic. So now if we add full to the noun, what it becomes? Beautiful, harmful, peaceful. Similarly, if we add less, endless, motionless, and speechless to the words, to the nouns, end, motion, and speech. Then we have the origin. What are the origin? Origin of the origin and nature of the same features as ish. Britain becomes British, Spain becomes Spanish, child becomes childish, yellow become yellowish, fool becomes foolish. Then quality or nature we have to add. For this thing we have to add EOUS, IOUS and OUS. Adventurous, ambitious, anxious and dangerous. Similarly, if we add few y to some nouns, what do we get? Angry, wealthy, windy and witty. From wit, wind, wealth and anger. Similarly, if we add ARY to custom becomes customary, moment becomes momentary. If we add like, childlike or warm like. So these are the list of examples where we can form new words or adjectives from the noun. Moving on to the exercise, we have to form the adjectives from these nouns using the endings. Just now we have learnt over here in the previous slide how we can add IAL or AL or full or less or ISH or Y or ARY, the suffixes, to the noun to form adjectives. Similarly, in this exercise, you have to add the suffixes to the nouns and form new words. Like mischief becomes mischievous, photograph becomes photography, grass becomes grassy, truth becomes truthful, choice becomes choiceful, comic becomes comical, mystery mysterious, value valuable or valueless. Able is not given, so we will use valueless. Rain becomes rainy, skill becomes skillful, bush becomes bushy, cost costly, adventure adventurous, speech speechless. So you have to complete this exercise from page number 41. And so this much for today's classwork. You have to complete it in your English grammar book, and this home assignment which is to be done in your English grammar copies. You have to circle the correct adjective or adjectives in each of the sentences. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sentences are given. You have to circle the correct adjectives and write it down in your English grammar copy. Copy the sentence and then circle it. So this much for today, children. I hope all of you have understood today's lesson. And we will discuss more about it in the live class. Thank you.